That's funny. I almost did. Hey guys, you want to laugh at me real quick before we start? I I have a dictation software on my computer that allows me to type everything that I do for the channel and all that stuff. So that way it's easier on me. So that way I don't have to like type it. I can just speak it, just like speech to text. And I almost hit the button for the dictation to cut on as opposed to hitting the start record. With that said, I hope you guys get a good chuckle at my expense. Hey guys, it's Maria. Welcome back to the channel. How's it going? We're continuing Shinedown's The Sound of Madness Deluxe Edition with the Son of Sam. I think this song is referring to, honestly, Uncle Sam, I think. But you guys can let me know in the comments what you think. Uh, Shameless plugins. Eevee Soldier 96 Gaming is where you go for gaming content from me. And if you guys want to see the album review, it will be on my Patreon, patreon.com/Maria Orduno. Links are all in my bio. With all of that said, enough jibber jabber, let's get into this. Lord help me. Painted black and white if you like. The story's still the same. A generation built on a lie that every one of us is safe. Painted black and white if you like, if it keeps you sane. You know the world just won't stay. So tell me who's to blame, and we'll catch you. But you might break the fall. I wanna be the son of Sam, the only child of a holy man. I stand alone for all to see, but they ain't never sworn like me. Son of Sam, son of Sam. Burning buildings fall apart. Send the best and send their love. Turn away, goodbye, good night. Go to sleep now, don't you cry. Are you afraid of life in me? Concerned of the next. There's soon for me to tell. If you're in heaven or in hell, I will catch you, but you might break the fall. I wanna be the son of Sam, the only child of a holy man. I stand alone for all to see. They ain't seen a war like me. Son of Sam, son of Sam. How's my phone doing? Is it doing okay? Feelings falling apart to pieces, raining down like concrete. Just surrender, remember what you've done to me. Look now, over your shoulder, no, it's not over, it's just the beginning, and now like a fire on the ending. I wanna be the son of Sam, the only child of an only man. Transformed for all to see, 'cause ain't nobody a war like me. I wanna be the son of Sam, the only child of a holy man. I stand alone for all to see, 'cause ain't seen a war like me. Son of Sam, ain't seen a war like me. 'Cause they ain't never seen a war like me. 'Cause they ain't never seen a war like me. Okay, there you go. Son of Sam in all its glory. Like, literally, full disclosure, I listen to the songs at least once, maybe twice, depending if I somewhat know the song or I don't know the song. Like I've gotten a few requests from, forgive me if I say your name wrong, Space World. They want me to do I'm guessing it's a metal band. Let me look in the comments real quick. Hang on. Just give me a sec. I literally have to go into my. Did you know that in Spider-Man Miles Morales? Go away. I did not ask you to play that. The WWE SmackDown versus. Stop. My my phone be tripping, okay? My phone be tripping. I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe it's just being a turd. Oh, where did I have it? Oh, it's on one of my videos. This may take a minute because I remember which one it was. I think I found it. No. Hey guys, it's Ray. Welcome back. Stop playing me. Dang flabbit, I forget where it was now, and it bugs me. Shoot. Space World, you may have to send me that request again, because I don't remember off the top of my head. Because we have had multiple conversations on different videos and different tabs and things of that nature. But so Space World, if you watch this video, please remind me where the hell I can find whatever it is that you requested. But it's bugging me now to no end. Go back to my channel, dude. Jeez. I know we had a conversation today. It had to have been maybe Revolution? Hey everybody, it's Mario. Welcome back to the channel. No, it's not on Revolution because there's no comments on that one. Damn it. Schnickies. This is going to annoy me. I know it was during the skillet stuff. I know that, but I can't remember where it was. And it's bugging me. I think I found it. I think it was Ash. Oh, it was Ash in the Wind. Here we go. Thank God I found it. Space World requested that I do a band called Self Deception. I don't know how metal they are. I know nothing about this band at all. Nothing. Not a zip. But Space World asked me to do it, so I'm gonna do it. So after this album, he or she also requested I do Mayday by 3 Days Grace, so I'll do that. Then I'll look into Self Deception, and then we'll go from there. Whew, sorry Space World, I almost lost our whole conversation. I forgot where it went. Found it. But nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed. Oh my god. I get Son of Sam. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed Son of Sam by Shinedown. Sorry I had to take a look. But that is basically what my plans are for right now. Again, if you guys have any requests, whether it be an album, whether it be an artist, you guys know my rules. No heavy screamo, no rap, because I will fail completely. And God's sake, if I hear one more country song, I'm gonna go insane. Just no country, please, please. The closest to country I will get is Miley Cyrus, and she doesn't do country music no more. All that said, I hope you enjoyed. I gotta get out of here, so peace!